Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. My name is Neha and today I am here to review M Caffeine's body polishing kit. This polishing kit has coffee body scrub and also choco body butter in it. Crafted with sheer brilliance, this routine is sure to give you the kind of skin you have always dreamt of. Deep moisturization and nourishment of dry and dull skin. The two products, one in shower and another one post shower, can get the desired sheen on your skin. Coming to the brand, M Caffeine is India's first ever caffeine based personal care brand, and they offer you a wide range of personal skincare product. The best thing about the brand which I find is that they create a good mix of gender neutral product. The same product is seen used by both men and women. Instead of going into specifics of who can use it, they stick to the goodness of coffee, indulgence and self-care. So I got this polishing kit from Nykaa, which was retailing at 895 rupees after discount, and also they offer you the miniature version of the polishing oil and the scrub, which was for free. Now I am going to give you a small demo on the application of all these products one by one. First one here is the scrub, which has been crafted from pure Arabica coffee and cold pressed coconut oil. It is in the form of powder and we need to mix it with water and then apply it. The scrub smells exactly like coffee, and if you are a coffee lover then you will definitely enjoy applying it on your body. The scrub also comes with a small wooden spoon for hygiene purpose so that we don't have to dig in fingers to scoop out the scrub. Next up is the body butter, which is based on choco and caramel theme. It has got a mild fragrance of chocolate and it has a nice texture and consistency. This body butter absorbs in the skin very smoothly. In winter especially, this product would be a great choice, I believe. And to be honest, this is one of the best body butters I have come across in recent times. The consistency is just perfect. Now coming to the miniature version of the body polishing oil and the scrub, which I received complimentary with the body polishing kit, is something which I have added to the routine as well. So these come in tiny little bottles, as you can see over here. The scrub is the same as the larger one which I have got it, and the coffee polishing oil is something I am really excited to try it out. And the smell is again like mild coffee, and you would like it if you are again a coffee fan. The texture of this oil is quite thick, but the amazing part is that it does not leave much of residue and gets absorbed really quick into the skin. Now coming to the application process of the kit, first up is the scrub. You need to take enough quantity of scrub in hand and apply in a circular motion on the wet body. Here I have applied it on my hands, but I believe it will work wonders on dry areas like elbows, knees and neck. I apply it once a week and not every day, as the scrub granules can be little harsh to be used every day. After the first use, my skin felt extremely soft and hydrated because of the coconut oil in the product. I must say that it is an excellent exfoliator and removes dead cells and adds wonderful glow to the skin. Also, after regular usage of this scrub, you will realize that you are getting rid of any kind of texture that your skin has, and you will be left with soft and supple skin. The body butter is just perfectly balanced. It has got the perfect texture, the fragrance and the feel to it. So I feel definitely you will not regret purchasing this one. Especially during the winters when your skin is more towards the dry side, and this comes as a rescue tool along with the scrub. Now last but not the least are these miniature version of scrub and body polishing oil. I must say that the oil has a really mild coffee fragrance and it helps you relax and calm your nerves. The oil, as I earlier mentioned, is quite thick, but it absorbs into the skin pretty well and does not leave any residue behind. Now, the only problem that I find with the scrub is that it gets pretty moist when it comes in contact with air directly or any kind of moisture. So, this is the one which I have used previously, and somehow I didn't realize, and this is how it looks. It has become quite sticky and lumpy. So, it is better advisable to keep it in a closed tight jar away from any kind of moisture around. So, I have been a regular user of M caffeine since many months now, and I have to say that this has quickly become one of my most favorite brand that creates my most loved skincare products of all. And that was a video, guys. Do let me know your views on this product in the comment section below, and also hit a like if you have found this video helpful in any way. Do subscribe for new upcoming videos, and yes, bye and take care.